Good morning, mallards. It is Wednesday. We're hanging out to feed some koi. Look. But it turns out I don't have to feed the koi down there. I can feed any koi I want. So I'm heading to the pool where there are the big guys who look so sad that they weren't being fed yesterday. This guy wants food. Haha, get it. Oh, it's behind you. Little tiny guys are getting it. The little tiny guys can't quite eat it, which is really funny. So all these little tiny guys are just going. Bar, 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 bar. Hi, did you want some food? Turn around, come be my friend. Oh yeah, who? This guy over here?
This guy.
All right, I'll feed you. Boop. Oh. Here we go, look at that. So happy.
The impression they don't see too well.
Yeah, they just sense food.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's see who else we got. We've decided to come to look at petroglyphs, and I love a good petroglyph.
Across here.
Yeah, there are a lot.
I would say this guy is a recent fake addition.
Mm-hmm. A whole set of petroglyphs. I like this guy. This is wild and crazy hair. I also like the guy up here. These are really pretty. This is one of those situations where it actually shows up better on camera than it does to my naked eye.
Because it exaggerates the contrast.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. There are more petroglyphs along this cliff face here. But I want to know, like, who did these? Because, like, that's pretty high up. Seems pretty far to me. Wow, they're so cool though. A lot of people. Chickens! Look at them all. Oh, they're getting very close to me. I'm gonna throw a chip farther out. Hang on. So now we are at the Kalia Pond National Wildlife Refuge. We're gonna walk on this really cool bird walk and learn all about the creatures and things that inhabit it. I have always considered myself mostly legs, but compared to this guy, I'm decidedly not mostly legs. Goodness gracious. We are now at the visitor center for the same pond, where there's all sorts of fun things, like this globe where I can flip this bird on its head, show you its giant feet. It's kind of fun. So these are the two Hawaiian birds. This is the stilt. This is the bird that we saw that is like all leg. So much leg. Also look at this tiny baby, it's so cute. And then this is the coot. We did not see any of them. Their babies, brighter, but in my opinion, a lot less cute. But also, they fight with their feet. And I just feel like I need to come back to watch this action. That sounds fascinating. We have now made it to the other side of the wildlife refuge, where we're seeing more birds. There are a lot more birds in these ponds. There are a lot more birds out this way. Some of the stilts, some of the other birds, and you can definitely hear them here. After we came back from the hikes, I briefly went snorkeling, and I saw an eel while I was snorkeling, which was really cool. But then I got hugely buffeted by waves, and the coral was getting so close that I was like almost hitting it. And I decided that it was time to get out of the water. And then I got pretty buffeted by waves trying to get out of the water, because it turns out I haven't figured out how the whole flipper thing should work when I'm going down the beach, as opposed to instead getting off of a boat. So I was definitely awkward, and I definitely emerged covered in sand from being rolled along the beach by the waves, but it was super fun. And then we went to Roy's and had a delicious dinner. I had amazing fish and shrimp and these heavenly Brussels sprouts, and then a delicious cheesecake for dessert. And now I'm gonna enjoy a food coma so that I can get up early tomorrow morning and hopefully do some more snorkeling. I'll see you then.